Hey everyone, super excited to share with you our countertop storage. I love the sizes here. The smallest one's gonna be 1 cup, the middle size is gonna be 1.5 cup, and your largest is gonna be 2 cup. With that bamboo lid, what I love about it is that we're able to give you that silicone seal. So this actually makes these airtight and watertight. So when you're storing things, and look how beautiful that pattern and sentiment is burned into the top. So this is our confetti that we're showing you. So the lids say love, family, and gather. Isn't that fun? So when you're leaving these out, whether in the kitchen or around the home, they're gonna be just perfect. And look what we did over here. This is actually our patriotic, where we did our little celebrate. Remember, you have that silicone seal with that bamboo lid. So we did some of our little fishies in there, some of our snacks, and then look at this, even some pretzels. So this is what I love. If you're having just a simple little drink at night and you wanna have a little snack, these are gonna be perfect, but they're also so great for storing your tea bags and sugar and all of the different things around the home.